Hi everybody, I am really excited to do a virtual open house with you guys today at my new listing. This is a wonderful 3-bedroom, single family, standalone townhome out in West Des Moines. Hard to find these. You're gonna see as we go through, lots of space, huge master. I think you're really gonna like it. So let's get inside. All right, so as you can tell, as soon as you walk in, we have these beautiful floors and this big open concept living. And I love the fireplace. It's not going today because it's kind of a warm day, but the pass-through fireplace just adds a really nice touch of elegance. Very large eating kitchen that goes right onto that covered deck. You have the privacy windows that bring in a lot of light. And then as we turn, I'll try to go slow enough here that you can see, we have a really nice large kitchen with sticking to that open concept too. And you can tell there's plenty of cabinet space, really beautiful granite countertops. I'll get up close so you can see that color really nice. Good neutral color. And stainless steel appliances that stay with the home. And that pantry. It's very rare that you'll see a nice big pantry in a townhome like this. So good space for all your things. As I walk through here, I'm gonna wait for a second. I want you to see that that's the master bedroom. And I love this split design because your other bedroom's all the way down this hall, so you're gonna get some nice privacy. So we'll go that way first. Here's your laundry room. Again, tile throughout the home, in all of the baths. And here's that other full bathroom. You can see the lighting, just a good space. And then right across from there is that second bedroom on the main floor. And it's bigger than it looks, so we better sneak in here. All these closets are just incredible. Huge walk-in closets. And there's that little nice nook that you could make a cute little reading space or put a dresser. Okay, all right, so now I will take you back into that master here, but you can kind of get a feel coming out from the hallway. There's the basement stairs, front hall closet. Again, lots of storage in this home and lots of light. Let's head into the master. All right, better get the lights. And wow. Look at that double tray ceiling. It just makes the room feel huge. You know, obviously when these windows are open, you're gonna get a lot of light. They're closed now for privacy. This room is very, very large. The family right now has young children, so there's a crib in here and there's some large furniture, but it really is a big master space without the extra furniture. But I'll give you a feel here. And again, that trade ceiling is just beautiful. And as we go this way, you're going to have a huge ensuite master bath that really just lacks nothing in terms of space. You've got a really nice jet tub with a privacy large window for light. Okay, and then those double vanity sinks are really nice, and the extra large shower. Okay, and then walk-in closet, large walk-in that goes all the way back. As we go downstairs, you'll see that we have an absolutely amazingly huge family space here. I'm not sure if the video gives credit to just how large this feels. Lots of room to entertain, obviously a good rec space. And then right to my left, you'll see that here's that third bedroom. And again, not sure the video appreciates just how large this room is here. We have a walk-in closet. I'll give you a quick peek. Lots more storage. And then when we head out, you can tell to the right of the stairs, there's a very large storage area in there. And then a full bath. So your guests or you know, someone who's living down here would have their own bath. All right, I'm gonna take you back outside. Okay, so if you're entertaining, this is so convenient with the kitchen right there. You can just pop out to the grill, have this great covered space, so even on rainy days you can be outside. And as you can tell, it's just a really well-kept area. Everything's in great shape. The association does a really nice job. Okay, thank you.